please welcome aboard to the Donald family.
Disney Magic, please welcome aboard the Flyunder.
It is time. It is Embarkation Day. We are here aboard the Disney Magic, and it is time for a little bit of cruising and some cruising fun. All right, so they got blow-up hands that they put out. So when we're actually disembarking, or not disembarking, when we're heading out of port, there you can see them waving over there. They're already waving. All right, Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to Embarkation Day on the Disney Magic. We are on board the ship. We are in our cabin. We've already had a little bit of lunch. We already did a room tour. We did a live video. We've already been busy. And yeah, we're just now, unfortunately, getting around to doing the intro for today's video. Sometimes Embarkation Day just keeps you guys really busy. Well, at least it keeps us really busy. So we're a few minutes away from going down and doing the muster drill. That's going to be one of the very first things we do after this. It is the old-fashioned, the old-style muster drill. So we're going to see how long that takes, how much of a pain it is going to be to do muster drill the old way. And Tiffany's not looking forward to it. But hey, whatever. It's going to get us sailing. It's going to get us cruising. Then after that, we have the sail away party. And then pretty shortly after that, we're going to be getting ready to go to dinner. And then there's a show in the main theater tonight, too. So it is going to be a busy first day. So let's get on with Embarkation Day.
Look at the tiny coffee. Come on in. Welcome to Rapunzel's birthday party.
Guys, can we have
Hey, together, madam.
you there?
All right, so we are in Rapunzel's royal table. They definitely have some theming in here. Look at this place, baby.
It's awesome.
Hello, welcome. Welcome, family.
I love it. It's everything I dreamed it would be.
Birthday dreams are the best!
Everybody's got a dream. Take me, for example. I'm malicious, mean, and scary. I stand with turtle tail. If I despise my hands, and that's the cleanest. But despite my evil look, and my temper, and my hooves, I'm always going to be a constant realist. And can't you see me on the stage of checking my song? Tickling the iris with a breeze. Yes, I'm glad to be called deadly. I feel it so cool deadly. Let's go! Way out deep inside I got it.
He's got a dream!
Yes, I do!
He's got a dream!
And you look close. See, I ate the cruel fishes as I see. Yeah!
Every passing hour, I'm so glad I left my tower. Like all you lovely folks know. I see something mercy.
Oh, we didn't hold back for you, special.
I always love today. Not just because of my birthday, but because it was the day I saw the floating lights. I remember watching them from my tower and the night sky. They looked forward to my happily ever after. Life after happily ever after. And just as sweet as the circle next day. I feel childhood as life is being ready to explore. All the hours you're giving me. There are certain customs I have to follow. Small obligations I can't avoid. Asking you to love me, telling my slightest word. Aside from all that the
How's everything there? Alright?
Still, I can hardly complain.
Now that we've gotten the dream that we chose, now that we're in for the fall, now our adventures can come to a close. Happily ever after all. Happily ever after all.
You're late. Eugene, thanks for hurrying.
Hey. Pulling out the full name. I told you I wouldn't miss your birthday, and hey, it's still your birthday. And if it's your birthday, then shouldn't we be singing to you? Oh, yeah. Come on, everyone, you know the words.
Happy birthday, Princess!
I can't be the only person with a birthday today. Who else is celebrating a birthday?
What a lovely idea. Okay, hands up if it's your birthday today. Anyone today? Oh, that's birthday Princess. How about this week? Anyone got a birthday this week?
All right, so quick pit stop in the room. And our tail animal's out. Tiffany says it's a mouse with this little tail. But we got our Disney chocolates. Now, that one over there, Tiffany made. That one is supposed to be a bull. It did not look that good earlier. The room steward fixed it.
No, I did.
The room,
Oh, no, the room steward did. He put the rubber band on it.
Yeah, the room steward fixed it. Tiffany had this bright idea that she's going to do towel animal wars with the room steward.
Yeah.
She made a bull. The room steward fixed it and then gave her a mouse and some chocolate. So what do you think? What's going to be your next attempt?
I don't know. I'm still going through the book.
He's gonna. You got no chance. All right, and that is day one, our first day here on board. The Disney Magic is done and over with. Tiffany's already in bed over here, so she said, "I'm not getting back in the camera." But you know what? I'll show you guys anyway. Look, see, already napping. It's only like 10 o'clock. Weak. She's like, "I'm going to bed. I'm tired." Anyway, enough of that. And this has probably been our roughest day at sea in a while. Honestly, I think today, if things could go wrong, I think they went wrong. I mean, some things went right. It has been just, the worst ever, but embarkation was long. Finally get my suitcase in my room, only to find that they took my power strip out of my suitcase and said, you can't have it. Now, keep in mind, I've used this on many cruise lines, including Disney Cruise Lines. I know the rules. I know what it says. It's not a surge protector or anything like that. It's a cruise-approved power strip, but they took it anyway. Went down to customer service, and they're just absolutely unhelpful as to why it was taken. They couldn't give a real explanation. They just kind of, read the approved statement. Basically, they have no honest idea. They did offer me to use one of the ship ones if I need one, and they say I can pick mine up when I get back to port. I'm going to verify everything on Disney's website, but listen, I have taken this thing on multiple cruise ships, multiple cruise lines. It's a cruise approved one, so I've never had a problem with it before. So I'm not really even sure why they took it, but it seems like the ship's not the only problem the ship's having today. The line for customer service has been long all day long. There's people who've been down there 3 or 4 times. They can't even get in their rooms. Their keys don't work. I don't know. It just feels like Disney is off their game today, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, it just feels like they're off their game. Normally, they're spot on. Their service is spot on. Everything is spot on Disney. This time, yeah, I don't know. Maybe they're just having a bad week. Like Tiffany said earlier, it's Monday. And maybe they're just having Monday kinds of problems because they're definitely having some issues. I even went down to the shops to check out the ship model because I always get a ship model for every cruise. And apparently the Disney Magic is the one cruise ship out there that doesn't have any on board. Spoke to the gentleman down there in the shops, and he's like, yeah, he goes, I have no idea what's going on with that. He goes, we're the only ship, and he said something like he's been on 28 different ships, and it's the first time he's ever seen it not have the ship model. So it's been one little, it's like, what is it? Death by 1,000 paper cuts. Is that the word? That's kind of how it's felt today. Death by 1,000 paper cuts. But we got a couple more days on here. So it can only go up from here. So we're going to go ahead and get some sleep. No, hold on. I've only talked about negative stuff. Before we do that, though, dinner was good. We went into Rapunzel's royal table. Dinner was good. They had a little show in there, little singing, little dancing. They had people dressed up from Tangled. That was really good. Then we went and saw the Broadway show Twice Charmed. It was good. You know, it was a good little show. Absolutely no photography, recording, or anything in there. So I don't have any video of the production show. You know, no surprise there. These major production shows have copyrights. When we were on Royal Caribbean, couldn't record Mamma Mia. Probably will not be able to record the majority of the production shows here. I also was not able to record the sail away party up on the Lido deck because we had to do the Old Star muster drill, which wasn't bad, but our muster station was in the restaurant down on deck 4 after the ship in Animator's Palette, way back in the far corner. And of course, they release everybody all at once. Muster drills at 4. You finish about 4:15, 4:20. The sail away party starts at 4:30, and the entire ship, all 2,366 people, essentially headed for the Lido deck all at the same time. By the time we got up there, there was no place to go where I wasn't filming the back of somebody's head. So unfortunately, couldn't get in there, you know, and get any video of sail away. I like the new muster drills better. I really hope that they consider going back to that. Just for that reason, it is hard to get from one end of the ship to the other with all those people trying to do it all at the same time, and then they're blocking the stairs because they all want to take the elevator, and the elevators on this thing are, you know, the size they're smaller than the bathrooms in cruise ships. Just to give you an idea of how teeny tiny they are. And it's a really old cruise ship, but yeah, they're super, super tiny. I'm pretty sure you could fit 4 of the elevators on this ship. 4 of them would fit inside one that was on, you know, just the Allure 2 weeks ago. But I'm digressing here terribly. All right, so we're going to hop off of here for today. Tomorrow is a sea day. Plenty of activities going on around the ship, different things to do. A lot of characters are going to be around the ship tomorrow. There's a bunch we haven't seen. Apparently, there's going to be a bunch of Marvel characters on board. Hopefully, going to get to see a bunch of those. So we're going to hop off of here tonight, and we're going to catch up with you guys tomorrow. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.